Welcome, aspiring content creators. Today, I will guide you through the exciting journey of starting your own YouTube channel. You heard that right, yes, your own YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 things you need to know before starting your own YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Precious Osage, a YouTuber based here in the UK. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start a YouTube channel. I'll be getting a lot of message from my friends, from people online, that they want to start a YouTube channel but they don't know how to go about it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step what you need to know on starting your own YouTube channel. So the first step is define your niche and audience. Choose a niche you are passionate about. Consider your target audience. Shoot a content for people you want to target to. What is a niche? Niche is like what you want to be creating things about, like something you are passionate about. If you love cooking and you want to do a video of cooking, so you go into cooking, that's a niche. That's what you want to do. So that's what niche is about. Step 2, planning your content. Outline your content strategy. Create a content calendar for consistency. Like, consistency is the key. If you want to start up a YouTube channel, you know you have to put all your best and everything. I think I'm going to do a video of mistake to avoid when starting a YouTube channel. If you are interested in that, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload that video. Make sure you are consistent on YouTube. Make sure, like, if you want to go into it, you know you are putting your all on. Not when you are going to post this week, the next 5 weeks you're not going to post. It's not going to work. Step 3, setting up your channel. I know, right? It's exciting. All you have to do is head over to YouTube, sign in, then click on your profile picture to create your own account. You have to choose a catchy name, customize your channel art, like your banner, the picture you are going to use on your profile. All this counts because it also attracts your audience. Step 4, branding your channel. And design a memorable logo, design a good banner. Create a consistent visual theme. This builds recognition and professionalism. Step 5, equipment and software. You don't need much gadgets. With your phone, you can start a YouTube channel. You don't need to invest so much on camera, lighting, and all that. So once you just get a good tripod, you're good to go. Fill with natural light during the daytime. You don't need lighting at all. Just get your phone and you're good to go. You don't have to invest on cameras. Start simple with a good camera and a microphone. Use free or affordable editing software. You don't have to pay for editing software. Like, there is Final Cut Pro, InShot. If you are using iPhone, there is iMovie. I'm just going to list them in the screen so you know them. There are a lot of free. You don't have to pay for editing software. Step 6, creating a quality content. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you have to be bringing something to the table. You have to create a quality content. You don't have to beat yourself about it. Don't pressurize yourself. Just like what you know you are passionate about, just start filming. Make sure you have a good quality. Focus on engaging storytelling. If you are good in telling a story, focus on that. If you are good in cooking, focus on doing food recipe. If you are good in showing your life, if you are good in whatever you know you are good at and you just want to document it and share it with people, start it. Hook your viewers in the first few seconds, like what I did for the starting of this video. You see the way I started, like inspiring content creator. Hook your viewers for the next few seconds. That is going to make them stick to the end. And maintain a good pace throughout your videos. Not when sometimes you're going to talk calm, then later you're going to talk high speech. Just maintain a good pace. Don't confuse your viewers. Step 7, thumbnail and title are the most important things, because that's what will make people want to click on the video for the first place. That's what will make people want to watch your videos. Your thumbnail and your title. Craft attention. Good thumbnail, a good title, they are crucial for attracting and boosting your video visibilities. For you to watch your video, the thumbnail have to attract you and the title have to attract you for you to click and start watching. So when you are shooting, when you start creating, make sure your thumbnail and title are really catchy to attract people to click on it. Step 9, engage with your community. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, Build a community around your content. Engage viewers are likely to subscribe. Step 10, promoting your channel. If you don't promote your YouTube, nobody is going to help you to promote it. Promote it on all your social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. You have to promote. Collaborate with other creators, other YouTube creators, and participate in relevant communities to increase your channel reach. So guys, it's really not that difficult to start up a YouTube channel. Many people are in this platform making money, and the sky is big enough. So what are you waiting for? As far you have a good camera, as far you have a good mic, where you are shooting is quiet, you don't even need to invest in mic. As far where you are shooting is quiet, you can shoot at night. I remember when I started, I didn't have mic, I didn't invest in mic, I just used my phone. Starting a YouTube channel is a journey and not a sprint. Stay consistent, adapt, and enjoy the process. Best of luck on your creative adventures. If you watch this video till now, please make sure you like this video so that YouTube can push my video up there. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you all be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm going to see you guys on my following one. Stay blessed. Bye.